Hi guys, my name is Mansi and today I'm going to give you the review of Focallure Endless Possibilities eyeshadow palette and also its first impression. So if you wanna know, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette which I was talking to you about is this eyeshadow palette. It is pink in color and its packaging is made up of cardboard. It has a cardboard packaging and wanna see how it actually is this. So this is how it looks from inside. It has seriously all endless possibilities colors in it. It has all the shades, like it has all the glitter shades, it has all the matte shades, it has all the transition shades, and it has all the shades which every girl needs in her makeup. So yeah, you need to if you want one eyeshadow palette with all the shades in it, this is the one. You need to buy this one. Okay, so if we talk about its pigmentation, so yeah, they are really pigmented. I'll show you one of its shade. It gives it's like this. They are really pigmented, guys, and the pressed glitters are more pigmented than any glitters. You can see how pigmented they are. Yes, these are the shades. So many shades are there and all of them has this pigmentation. You can see एक ही स्वाइप से इतना ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेशन आ जाता है and I really think it's worth buying. So yeah, all the shades are pretty beautiful, all the things are pretty beautiful, and also it has a really good quality of mirror with it, which is really this big huge size, and yeah, it's worth it. So without further ado, let's go for its first impression. Okay, so we'll do its first impression. For that, I'm going to use, first of all, I'm going to apply concealer on my eyelid. For that, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer on my eyelid. Okay, I've concealed my eyes. Now I'll be moving on with the transition shade. This shade. Okay, so I'm done with it. You can see it has come out to be really beautiful. I'll give you a close-up of it. Okay, as I'm done with it, I think only glitter thing is looking very odd for me, so I'll be going for more brown. I'll be using this shade above my crease. And then I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush. I'm going to blend it. That's how it comes out to be. Okay, so I'm done with my eyeshadow. I'll be I think look is really not complete, so I'll be using my eyelash curler. I'll be using this eyelash curler from Miniso. I'll be using Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus Mascara. And I think camera is not doing justice to eyeshadow. In real, it's looking really beautiful, whereas when I see it on my camera, it's not giving that justice. Kajal, which is from Raika. I'm putting it under my eyes. So to give it a bit more smoky finish, I'll be using this flat brush, and from this palette I'll be using this brown shade again under my waterline. Okay, my look is created. Okay, so I'm done with this look. You can see it in close-up how it comes out to be. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, एंड अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, टू सब्सक्राइब, रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन यू कैन सी लाइक दिस, एंड उसके साथ एक बेल बटन होगा, उसको भी क्लिक करें. एंड yeah, see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy and stay positive. Love you all.